So when I filled out my glass door, here's a funny part. I filled out the reason why I was not happy at that position on Glassdoor.com, and I said that they only have the cleaners come in once a week. And then, in their defense, they, they wrote, "That's not true. We have the cleaners come in twice a week." Oh, pardon me. I'm so sorry. My bad. I'll be right back, Flynn. So I'm very happy, very happy, very happy. Have I mentioned how happy I am to have the job that I do right now? Alright, do these look like rocks? That's the question. Does it look like a rock? Let's erase some of this. Yeah, people were leaving that job left and right. People were either quitting and or getting fired from that job. If people are quitting, maybe you shouldn't be firing people. If so many people are quitting, maybe you have to keep the people that you have. No, you don't clean once a week. You clean twice a week. I've done you wrong, Rocks. While we're in this world, we're going to have to put up with what the world gives us until Jesus comes back. A friend of mine said, I forget how he said it, I can't quote word for word, but we shouldn't be surprised when the world is going to hell in a handbasket. We shouldn't be surprised because the Bible says it's going to do that. So why should we be all up in arms when there's atrocities happening, when the world is the world? Alright, so it just looks like a pile of rocks. It doesn't look like a pit. We need it to look like a pit. Gutson the Beautiful! Happy New Year! Ah! What's for lunch, Gutson? Gutson the Beautiful is also a streamer. Let's give him his shout out. Gutson is from Hawaii. It is lunchtime in Hawaii Standard Time, if that's what you call it. Island time, I'm not sure. Pacific Standard Time. Yakisoba dog. Yakisoba? Hot dog with yakisoba noodles on top. Oh, interesting. Tell me more about these noodles. Alright, let's see what happens. What's the worst it can do? What's the worst that could happen? It's only digits. It's only digital ink. Also, Kewpie mayonnaise drizzled on top. Kewpie mayonnaise. Is that a brand of mayonnaise, or is that a kind of mayonnaise? Here we go. This side should be black. Let's see if we go for one pan black. Aha. Aha, that worked. Okay.